In our hands, plants can grow. Take a look the crops, the ornament plants, but suddenly, in our hands too, plants can die. There is a solution. How plants grow? Let me discuss you my prototype. Project name, Automated Plant Waterer with Timer. Introduction. Water is the major constituent of the fluids of living things. It is made of hydrogen and oxygen. In our days, most folks water their plants when they remember. The schedule of watering should stick to depending the lighting and the humidity level. It isn't enough that watering a plant just for once a week, or just wave our hands or crossing our fingers around the plants with droplets of water. This won't cut it. In watering a plant is of no value if the water runs down the outside of the root ball, leaving the roots at the core of the plant dry. This would happen if we water too quickly or apply water too much. Water at once. Slower watering is effective. The key from it is to ensure that water gets to the root zone whether you are watering plants, tending seeds, or even soaking thirsty shrubs and trees. To get away with the roots of it, the automated waterer with timer will provide and ensure that there are no worries or forgetting or even in your indoor plants. This prototype might ensure you and made things possible for much easy and well portable for the betterment of the lives of each and for the society. Proposal. Automated plant waterer with timer. Its process. When you push the start button, the time will set for the loading of water. Then, after this, the time will set again for the water distribution. Then, it will set again for the water to sprinkle it out to water that plants for its continuous process. The device and the function. Start, push button to start or on. R is for relay, will set the time. T1 is 5 seconds, time based on 100 milliseconds. T2 is 5 seconds, time based 100 milliseconds. T3, 5 seconds, time based 100 milliseconds. T4, 5 seconds, time based 100 milliseconds. R2, load water. R3, water distribution. And R4 is sprinkle of water. This is the ladder diagram of my prototype. Program description. When you push start, it will on R and R will set the time. T1 sets 30 seconds. Program description. When you push start, it will on R and R will set the time. T1 sets 5 seconds to start the process. R2 will stop R1 to load the water. R4 will stop R3 for the distribution of water. And R5 will stop R4 for the sprinkle out of water. Its advantages and benefits. Flexible. Spend less time in watering the plants because it is automatic. Much easier to handle. Save time, energy, and work. And it is environmental friendly. That's the end of my presentation, and thank you. The simulation of my project. Yun lang. And this is how my prototype. Hindi, nalagay yung ano. May lumabas.
Sada naman.
Sige, ayos lang. Sige, ayaw mo na. Kakat ko na lang.
Hindi, sada.
And this is how my prototype works.